This technique is from the 4Blinks version of Flash, version 3.0 by Thomas Zimmerman. It's called the ShopVac technique, and it's a way to manage the bodily distress or body activation that might come up when processing trauma, even in a very gentle type of process that we may be using together. So let's develop this ShopVac technique to help you manage bodily distress so that you can use it outside of sessions, and if needed, we can also use it in session. So the thing I want you to think about is if you've ever used a ShopVac or like a large coin vacuum at a car wash. So can you imagine holding the hose of the vacuum with one hand and feeling it suction with the other hand? Can you imagine it picking up a small pile of dirt or sand? If you quickly scan through your body right now, head to toe, can you find a knot, pressure, tension, or emptiness, even if only a little bit? Can you imagine the gunk of that going into your ShopVac hose? And just try to see the stress or feeling leaving those places and going into the hose like it's colored smoke. Good. Can you see the canister of the vacuum get pushed far out of awareness? Just send it several hundred miles away. If there's any remaining body activation, go ahead and take your ShopVac back and suck up that smoke with the ShopVac. Put it into another canister. And then again, like before, send that ShopVac canister far away, hundreds of miles away, until it's just a tiny speck in the distance or beyond. If you're having any trouble with using this resource, definitely feel free to reach out to me so that we can consult about any troubleshooting that might be needed to help you with that. Hopefully, when you're checking in with your body at this point, you can notice if there are any senses of improvement. You can notice if you're feeling a little bit of relief. And if you need to, you can do multiple rounds to suck away multiple layers of that sensation until you feel the relief.